Once upon a time, in a lush and sunlit valley, there lived a young and adventurous dinosaur named Dino. Dino was a curious little dinosaur with bright green scales that shimmered under the golden rays of the sun. His tail was long, his eyes sparkled with excitement, and his heart was as big as the valley he called home. Spike, the shy but kind-hearted Stegosaurus with a row of plates along his back, Dino had three best friends who joined him on his adventures. Trix, the cheerful Triceratops with horns as pointy as his sense of humor, and Flappy, the playful pterodactyl who soared through the skies with wings that seemed to touch the clouds. One day, as Dino and his friends were exploring the far end of the valley by the Great Waterfall, they stumbled upon an unusual sight. A shiny, smooth egg lay nestled between the rocks. The egg was unlike anything they had ever seen, with a pearly white shell that glimmered like the stars on a clear night. "We must protect it," Dino declared, his eyes filled with determination. Trix, Spike, and Flappy nodded in agreement, knowing this was an adventure they would never forget. As the days turned into nights, the friends took turns caring for the egg, keeping it warm and safe. They sang songs, told stories, and shared laughter as they waited patiently for it to hatch. Finally, on a bright and sunny morning, the egg began to crack. Everyone gathered around, watching in awe as a tiny little baby dinosaur emerged from the shell. It was a brontosaurus with soft gray skin and big brown eyes that gazed curiously at the world around. The baby dinosaur, whom they named Bumpy, quickly became a beloved member of their group. Together, Dino and his friends taught Bumpy everything they knew about the valley. They showed him the best spots to find delicious leaves and where the stream flowed gently. As they journeyed through the valley, they learned important lessons about friendship, kindness, and the joy of discovering new things together. Each night, under the twinkling stars, they would gather near the waterfall, sharing their dreams and hopes for adventures yet to come. And so, under the starry sky of the lush valley, the tale of Dino and his friends continues, filled with love, laughter, and endless possibilities. Moral of the story: true friendship is about caring, sharing, and growing together, no matter how different we are.